What's going on? It's your boy Big Dante with another video, and today, man, your boy is gonna sell the 125 Trailmaster. Yes, sir. If you didn't notice, your boy added a little gas cap, some new handle grips, but I'm about to sell this bitch for 900. Hopefully everything go through. If you did not watch, go ahead and check my video when I brought this for 600. Yes, sir. Just got off work?
Too fat, it's too fat, my dog.
Nah, it's good.
That's for my son.
Yep. You got it kicked all the way up?
Le diste todas.
I'm about to say,
Le diste todas para arriba.
say,
Sí, jala chido, ¿no?
you can try to kickstart too if you want. To make sure it works.
Pruébalo.
Check the brakes. Yeah, electric. What did he say? What'd you say?
Ya, neutral.
What is it?
¿Cómo se dice neutral?
No sé, güey.
What is it? Neutral?
Yeah.
You got it. Yeah, yeah.
Sí, jala chido, ¿qué?
And then you gotta make sure you put this down, the fuel switch. So before you ride, you put that down. I forgot to tell you before you ride.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sí, jala. ¿Todas son para arriba? O sea que las dos tienen la primera para abajo. No, todas son para arriba. No chingues, carnal, neta. Y ya la agarré.
I thought they was
güey.
about to put it in the cart. He's coming. 1, 2. This feels off, but it goes up like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I was going to get it like right here. That part right there, it goes like that.
Oh, it's nice, bro.
Yeah, then when you're done, you just switch the key and then switch the fuel pump up. And then that's it.
No need oil.
Oh yeah, oil right here. This is the oil and this is the gas.
Yeah.
Yep. And then switch the key back off.
Le digo que si tiene papeles.
And they got the rear brakes right here. I didn't know if you knew. The rear
Yeah,
brake.
yeah.
Rear brake right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
no sé. Oh, no.
Have invoice.
Yeah. Mira, güey.
Yep. Oh, sorry man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.